Good afternoon, Ms. Shika.
Good afternoon, and how are you?
Yes, I'm fine. What about you?
I am also doing great. Thank you for asking.
Okay. Have you gone through the session document given to you by the English RE site?
Yeah, I have seen the topic is let's talk about alien.
Okay. The topic for the discussion is aliens. So, do you want to talk about this topic or do you want to talk about any other topic?
No, it's okay. We can talk about this topic. This is something new that really I also have, not much idea about this. But we can continue. Then I think I will also come to know something new point from your side.
Okay. As you know, there are many scientists who have been finding aliens for centuries. Okay, this is not as a decade. They have been searching and finding aliens for centuries. Okay, but no scientist, no scientist has been able to see an alien so far. But there are some people who do claim they have seen some aliens. Okay, and they also mention their figures, their shape, okay, etc. But no one has a clear evidence for this. So whenever the word alien comes to your mind, what do you think about it?
Okay. Nice question. So yeah, as you mentioned, it is not discovered yet, but everyone have some hypothetical thought that it would be like this. So as like this in my mind, I also whenever I think that how is alien, so that time I thought it maybe their body structure is something different from us,
Okay.
and their yeah, and their looking way, their lifestyle is something different, and their feeding, maybe their feeding habit also may be different, and yeah, their survivalist shelter place, this is something different from us, and they are looking quite interesting. So that's come in my mind whenever I think about the aliens, because yeah, I also saw some also picture images. So through this I just thought this idea.
Okay. So do you think aliens may be more intelligent than the humans?
Yeah, a little bit I think this. I think this, because some scientists they also reveal something like yeah, they have some uh, power of thinking and some intelligence power, maybe better than us. And how is it correct or not, I'm not gonna justify, but yes, that's in my mind. It might be they are a little bit intelligent than us, and yeah, they can imagine very better, and they can do something very quickly because they have maybe some power and all.
Yeah.
That's why.
Miss Shika, I do not watch movies, but I do know through some sources that many science fiction movies have been made on this subject. So, could you tell me which movie related to aliens you have watched so far?
Okay, so I also not watched many movies, but yeah, one movie that was Koi Mil Gaya. So I watched that movie, but not yes, I just watched some part of that movie, not full and fully end of this movie. Climax what was I don't know, but I watched some part, so I have some idea, and I think aliens in that movie who is very supportive, and every time he supported actor for their work, and yes, so means whatever means the actor who have not power before meeting this alien, but whenever he met and after that he had more power, he would be a powerful person. So like this, it is all about only because of alien, because he had a superpower
Okay.
of alien.
Okay. Miss Shika, where do you think aliens live?
Yeah, I think they live in space. Okay.
But
Okay.
where in this
And
place? They can't live in this place. There must be a place to live. So, according to you, where do they live? As your
I can't
perception.
justify, yeah, any single planet, but it must be some some another planet. It must be where still human beings are not reached, so they must be over there. And
Okay,
so yeah, still they are not existing, and we are not seeing them. Then how could we describe this? But we
okay.
just hypothetically think.
Yeah, in our solar system, there are 7 planets. There were 8 planets earlier, but Pluto has been removed from the list of planets. So there are 7 planets in our solar system. So do you think aliens might be living in our solar system or out of our solar system?
Maybe they are in solar system because they were in some planet definitely if they were existing. Otherwise, they are not out of the solar system. That I just thinking.
Okay, so now I'm creating um, a hypothetical situation before you. Okay, and let's see how you react. Suppose you get a chance to meet an alien in your life. So, what would you do with that alien?
Okay, okay. So yeah, if in a future I will fit. So the situation because that was a great time for me, because that was that was the thing that I will never think if I will do and I will meet. So at the time, just first of all, I want to know their behavior, means how they are living, and how they are reacting. What is their communication way? Because we also don't know how they are communicate. So I want to understood, means what they are communicating, that I just want to grab what they are communicating. And also some power, not superpower, but something, and which would be helpful maybe for me, and their their support, their intelligence, that also I want to grab,
Okay,
and I want to spend some time to understand their lifestyle.
okay. Suppose you have got an opportunity to meet an alien, okay, but you don't know whether he is gonna be friendly with you or he is gonna be harmful for you. So don't you think it may be harmful for you to meet an alien?
No, I never think that it would be harmful for me. I always think that it would be beneficial for me. Yeah, the they must be a friend. I never think that they are gonna harm us. And yeah, so I don't know what exactly what would happen, but as for my thinking, that I just think that we will be a good friend, not a enemy, and not harming each other.
Okay, so could you tell me, according to your thinking, what aliens might be eating and drinking?
Okay, okay. So yeah, what I thinking? I think they are omnivores. They can eat everything.
Okay, uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah. There is no certain things that they are using for their feeding.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe just I thought they are omnivores, so whatever they found, they can use for feeding.
Okay, Miss Shikha, I want to correct over here this word. Feeding, this is not the proper word to use over here. Eating. Okay, eating
Okay,
is for ourselves and feeding is for others. Okay,
okay. Thank you.
yeah. Okay, so now let's talk about aliens ship. Okay, alien ship. There are many images and many science fiction movies have been made on aliens ship. Okay, they travel very fast. Okay, and they have high technology. Okay, so what do you think? What kind of ship do they have, and what kind of technology do they have, according to you?
Yes, yes. So yeah, as also I mentioned this, they have uh, everything whatever they have to do, just quick reaction, so they can do it very quickly. So like this, they had power to do everything in very fast moment. So if you wanna just go somewhere, so you can, with the help of them, you can go very quickly with a minute, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And also if want to some do something is special, like if you are in examination, you want to finish your exam, so you can finish very quickly because they are gonna some you know observe, you can observe something, some knowledge from theirs, so you can do very easily and very quickly in a way.
Okay. Since our discussion, I have been noticing you have been very optimistic and positive regarding aliens and their behavior and their other stuff. So now let's come to the pessimism. Let's come to the negative aspects of aliens. Suppose some aliens, okay, land our planet on our planet. So don't you think they would try to invade our planet, and they would take charge of all human beings, and they will start ruling over us?
Okay. Oh my God. If it's if it is the things that they will can do, so I think scientists can should stop the discovery. Don't discover because if they are gonna harmful, so why should we discover? Why should we waste our time and money about them if it is not good for us? And that's why I always be optimist, and because I think that they are good and they are good for our society. If they are not good and they are doing something harmful, so I think it's not a good thing that we are searching a long time for them.
Okay, Ms. Shikha, are you aware of um, Sophia? Sophia was a robot. She was a woman, and she visited our country as well. She had the ability to interact with the humans. Okay, like humans. She had facial
Yeah.
expressions over her face, and she had the power of hand movements, etc. But now she has been turned off. Okay, she has been turned off because some scientists believe if we create more and more robots like this, so one day they will invade our planet, and they will take charge in place of human beings, and they will harm us effectively. So what do you think in this regard? I'm talking about robots. Okay, they are also like aliens. Okay, but they are human made.
Like
They
it.
are man made. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, yes. They are man-made. Yeah, exactly. You said robots. They are like aliens. Yeah, we can say that. And I think it's right. If if scientists they are gonna just made more and more robots, so maybe it would be harmful for society. Because yes, if if someone have power, even they are technological or human being, so always they want to use it, they want to check it.
Mhm.
So if they want to check, so maybe we don't know what it will the outcome, so it would be harmful also. So if just they are gonna make more, so definitely it would be harmful. And if you are thinking that, yeah, just we are making some robots for this specific purpose, but we are not sure that our purpose will be fulfilled, because I don't know what will be the second moment after, because we also, I think we also have heard some scientists whatever they discover, and after that the result would be very harmful. So that's why always don't create these robots too much. It's okay if someone's it is exist in the world, so that's fine. But don't no need to create more and more.
Okay. Final
I
question.
think it's
Yeah.
my perception and all. Nothing, not I'm justified. Not
Yeah, yeah. Here we are talking about hypothetical situations. Okay.
yeah,
So
hypothetical.
now, final question I'm asking you. Suppose there is a war between humans and aliens. Okay, there will be a war conflict between humans and aliens. So what will be its result? Who will win, aliens or human beings?
Uh, you know, Definitely, yeah, alien, I think, because if they have different ability and power, we are we are also made of god creatures. But aliens, yeah, we are thinking they have some special powers for power. So maybe if they are gonna conflict with us, so definitely they will win.
Okay, so it will be it will be our final movement, okay, on this earth. If there will be a war between aliens and humans, we are definitely gonna lose, according to you. So there will be no existence of human being on this planet, because aliens will take charge of the earth, and they will start ruling over us, and finally they will kill all the human beings, and the earth will be of theirs.
Alien.
Yeah.
Aliens, yeah. Yeah, yeah, but yes, what I say. It is
Okay.
my hypothetical question and nothing.
Okay, so Mr. Shika, our session is coming to an end. So
Okay.
you have spoken very well. Everything was promptu, means spontaneous. You didn't prepare anything in advance like this, and you didn't know what questions will be asked to you, but you reacted to them very perfectly. So thank you very much for having this session with me.
Thank you from